Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you this Porsche Macan 2-litre turbo. The actual customer brought it in for a service, so we have to actually strip down all this out to get to the water pump. But before, you can't even see that. So the water pump's right there. So the water pump's leaking. See all the coolant marks underneath the car here, somewhere there. Here, see that? That's the coolant from the actual water pump. And the water pump is a plastic water pump with a thermostat housing, comes complete. And they have a little belt, like a timing belt, driven from the actual shaft on the engine on this side here. So that one's a painful one to do, but you need to align everything up properly. But this is a quick video just to show the actual 2-litre turbo water pump area, location, thermostat. So when you do everything, make sure you get the complete thermostat and water pump as one. That way everything works better from brand new. Okay, this is a 2-litre turbo. I might have to get new hoses like this ones here. They're all plastic. This one and that one there. I might get 2 of those because they are plastic, and then sometimes they just crack and break off, even though they're not broken. But I usually replace it because they're brittle. Look at the color of that one. The plastic there is very brittle. Doesn't take much to break. Even just coolant pressure, they just break off. They just break because the actual plastic become very brittle. Anyway, we're gonna remove the pump. We received the pump on Friday, so we're gonna finish this job, strip it down, and actually get it done by Monday, hopefully Tuesday afternoon pickup for this car here. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.